Did you know that 57% of companies state gaining a competitive advantage as one of the top 3 priorities in their industry? With competitive analysis, you gain insights into your competitors' strategies, where you can differentiate yourself and how to position your offerings as irresistible alternatives. Here are some valuable tips and techniques on where and how to perform competitive analysis. Use media monitoring to scour online platforms, social media, and industry forums for mentions of your competitors. This provides you with real-time insights into what customers are praising or criticizing about your rivals, enabling you to fine-tune your own approach accordingly. Dive into sentiment analysis to comprehend the emotions driving user feedback, including addressing any negative sentiments. Brand24 can help you identify key influencers who are actively discussing your competitors or the industry. Engaging with these influencers can help amplify your brand's voice and stimulate more feedback from their followers. If your company is just getting started or you want to watch out for new competitors, you can do it easily. Just make projects that follow words related to your industry and see what other brands are mentioned. When you're handling your marketing strategies, it's vital to establish precise objectives. And what's a more effective approach than observing your rivals' performance and aiming to excel? With Brand24, you can easily check how brands differ in terms of reach, sentiment, AV, UGC, presence score, categories share, and more. All of these aspects can serve as practical indicators of success for your brand, and all that with just Brand24.